How did tiny stone tools let prehistoric elders bring down giant animals? The short answer: brains, teamwork, and clever traps.
Elders were experienced hunters and leaders. They taught techniques, read landscapes, and organized groups to outsmart huge prey using simple stone tools.
Stone flakes and hand axes were razor sharp. Used correctly, they cut, pierced, and shaped the environment. Think of them as prehistoric Swiss Army knives.
They tracked animal behavior, mapped migration routes, and planned ambushes. Strategy trumped strength when hunting giants. Hunts used teams, drivers to guide, flankers to strike, lookouts to time the move. Each person had a clear job and cue. Drivers scared and steered animals toward choke points, cliffs, bogs, or traps, so hunters could control where the fight would happen.
Pits, bog edges, and natural cliffs were turned into deadly traps. Simple engineering multiplied the effect of stone tools.
Stone-tipped spears were thrust, thrown, or used in close work. Accuracy, timing, and team support mattered more than brute force. Fire and bait redirected animals. Smoke could steer herds, and bait lured them into prepared danger zones. Big animals were often wounded, then tracked, followed, and finished. Patience and follow-up were as crucial as the initial strike.
After the hunt, butchery was communal. Hides, meat, and marrow were shared. This created bonds and survival for the whole group.
Lessons passed from elders to youth kept techniques alive. Practice, stories, and hands-on learning made future hunts possible. Watch the strike, see the edge form. Now, read the tracks.
They beat giants with clever planning, tools, and teamwork, proving you don't need a giant sword, just a smart plan and friends who listen.